Google Docs and Drive make it super easy to compare two documents and find out where the differences are. Let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now in Google Docs, you can compare two different documents and it'll automatically tell you where the differences between these documents are. So for example, here I have a randomized text, and because it's random, it makes it incredibly difficult to compare this to another text that also contains random text. Now, these could be very large documents that you have at one point made a copy of, and you just want to see where the differences between the two documents are. So what I'm going to do is, in my document, I'm going to go to the top, and under Tools, I'm going to select Compare Documents. So here, when selecting Compare Documents, I can now compare this document to any other document in my Drive. So let's first of all select the comparison document. I'm going to click and I'm going to select Lorem Ipsum 2 because I want to compare 1 with 2. So let's go ahead and compare it to number 2 and then attribute the differences to, and then we're going to say demo teacher. So anything that's different between the two documents will be attributed to a person. We can include comments from the selected document. So we're not going to include the comments, but we're going to go ahead and click on compare. As soon as I've clicked on compare, this is automatically going to run. It's going to compare both documents, and as you can see, the comparison is ready. We can now open this comparison and see all the differences between the two documents. So let's go ahead and click on open. As soon as I click on open, it opens a comparison. So here you can see it tells me that this first paragraph was exactly the same, but it also shows me that the second paragraph was deleted and it was changed to be "this is different." That was added by that user. And here you can see it's been attributed to that user as a suggestion. Makes it super easy for me to see that that was changed. I can also scroll down and you can see that I added 3 random words right there in the middle of that paragraph. Google Docs has found it and it's automatically attributed this to the demo teacher. Scrolling down further, you'll see there are no more changes. So this is an incredibly useful feature to have. It's a tool within Google Docs that allows you to quickly compare two documents and attribute all the differences to a user. I hope you found this helpful. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button, join our community online, dive into the comment section, let us know how are you using this, when did you use it last, and what do you like about comparing different documents in a school setting. I'd love to find out. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.